Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time stopping by, you're most definitely welcome, and if you are an old subscriber coming back, thank you, you're welcome back as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my homemade DIY lemon essential oil. Before I go ahead and tell you the goodness and the benefit of lemon essential oil, I would like you to pause this video and hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. So lemon is best known for its ability to cleanse toxins from the body. It helps rejuvenate energy, it helps to purify the skin, and it helps to fight bacteria and fungi. Lemon essential oil is an antioxidant oil that helps reduce inflammation, and it helps to reduce acne scars, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and also helps to reduce acne, and it helps to kill acne causing bacteria. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So the first ingredient we'll need is our lemon itself. So in this video, I'm going to be using one lemon because I have a really small container for my lemon oil. And what we're going to do with the lemon is we're going to peel the skin of the lemon, because that is the part we need for our lemon oil. In this case, we don't need the lemon juice, we need the lemon peel. So you want to peel your lemon. You can grate your lemon as well, you can peel it, you can do whatever you want to do with it, but make sure you get the skin off the lemon. Our next ingredient is our coconut oil, which is our carrier oil in this recipe. So the third ingredient I use in this recipe, which is completely optional, is our glycerin and rose water. So you guys know that in all my recipe I always have an optional ingredient. So to make our lemon oil, we're also going to be needing a small bowl. In the small bowl, we are going to be taking basically 6 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of glycerin and rose water. And yeah, you can double up this recipe if your container for your oil is big. My container is pretty small, so that's why I use this quantity. I use 6 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of glycerin and rose water. So as you guys can see, that the mixture is kind of immiscible, that is, they don't mix together. We need a method to make them mix together, and all we are going to need is a double boiler. And if you don't have a double boiler, you can just pour water in your pot and then use a glass bowl as a double boiler. Now we allow the water to come to a boil, and then we put our immiscible mixture, which is the glycerin and coconut oil, into, and now we want it to steam for about 5 minutes. But do make sure that your glycerin and rose water doesn't come to a boil. We don't want it to boil. The water underneath can boil, but our mixture shouldn't boil. So you just want it to sit there for about 5 minutes till they are thoroughly mixed together. So now we want to add our lemon peel into the oil mixture. I'm just going to cut it into little pieces, and I'm going to add it into the oil mixture, and then you let it sit for a couple of hours, about 2-3 hours, and yeah. So this is a completely optional part as well, but it do a lot of good to your skin. I usually add vitamin E oil into my mixture. I just add 1 capsule or peel or whatever, then I just cut it and pour it into the oil. Then I also throw in the capsule into the oil, and I let it sit for a couple of hours. After sitting for about 4 to 5 hours, I take my lemon essential oil and I filter it with a coffee filter. And you guys can see the color of the change in color of the oil. You guys can see how yellowy and lemony and bright it looks. It is so beautiful, guys. And the scent, oh my god, it gives you this lovely fresh scent that everyone loves. I'm just going to filter this into my little bottle of essential oil, and that is about it. So like I said earlier, lemon oil is one of the best essential oils you can find on the market, because it helps to cleanse toxins from the body, rejuvenate energy, purifies the skin, fight bacteria and fungi, including acne causing bacteria. It is a very big antioxidant that helps to reduce inflammation. It helps reduce sunburn, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and all of that, and it can also be used for domestic uses as well. It can be used to clean surfaces around the house, the table, the TV and whatsoever. It gives the house a really nice refreshing smell. It is so cool, and it can also be used to relieve stress by massaging it onto your scalp or onto your skin, or using it as a spa oil. So that is about it. You guys can google the uses of lemon essential oil online. It is really good. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and be sure to hit the bell button next to it so you get notified every single time I upload a video. And if you do try my recipe out, be sure to let me know how it goes and how it works. I really love feedback, so you guys be sure to leave your feedback down in the comment section. Yeah, so till next time, bye. I love you.